5 years ago, a single hoverboard review changed everything for one creator. He saw a trend before it exploded. He made a quick video, got hundreds of thousands of views, and built a six-figure business. Trends are the fastest path to growth on YouTube. But riding a trend is not luck. It is a system. YouTube's algorithm does not care about your feelings. It cares about user satisfaction. When millions of people suddenly search for a specific term like hoverboard, the platform scrambles to find the best result. If your video is the first quality answer, the algorithm promotes you heavily. This is how authority is built on the platform. The creator in the hoverboard story was early. He was concise. He was authoritative. He did not have to convince people to watch his video. The trend itself created the demand. People were already searching for information. His only job was to be the best answer available at that exact moment. The result was a massive influx of affiliate income and thousands of new subscribers. His channel grew fast because he aligned his content with existing search intent. This changes the game for people building channels. You do not need a massive marketing budget. You need to understand what people want right now. The second-order effect here is clear. Once the algorithm sees you satisfying a trend, it trusts your account more. Your baseline authority increases, making it easier to rank for future topics even outside the initial trend. The algorithm looks at click-through rate and watch time. If your video solves the searcher's query immediately, they stay. They click. The system registers this as a positive signal. It then feeds your video to the next batch of searchers. This compounding loop of views and engagement is the foundation of a six-figure channel. Finding a trend before it peaks requires specific tools. Google Trends is free and essential for this process. You must check it daily. You look for rising queries in your specific niche. A flat line is useless. You want to see a sharp upward curve. vidIQ offers another layer of data. Its trend tool shows what is gaining traction directly on YouTube itself. The key mechanism here is timing. You must catch the wave before it peaks. If you are a week late, the train has left the station. The competition will have already established authority. For investors and builders in the creator economy, this means speed is a tangible asset. The ability to produce and publish within 48 hours of a trend breaking is what separates the winners from the losers. What to watch next is the intersection of these tools. Look for topics where Google search volume is rising rapidly, but YouTube results are still low quality. That gap is your opportunity. Do not rely on your own intuition. Rely on the data. The data tells you exactly what people want before they even know they want it. If you wait until a trend is obvious on your feed, you're already too late. The early mover captures the majority of the search traffic and establishes the baseline authority. This is a race against time. Trends are inherently temporary. They die. The hoverboard trend faded as quickly as it arrived. The creator in our story did not stick to one topic. He pivoted to general tech reviews. This is the second crucial lesson. You use trends to grow your channel rapidly, but you must build a channel that can survive when the trend ends. If you build your entire identity around a single fad, your channel will flatline. The mechanism behind this is audience expectation. When you capture a trend, you capture a broad audience. If you only offer them one thing, they will unsubscribe when that thing is no longer relevant. By pivoting to general tech, the creator kept the audience engaged with related content. This changes how you should view your channel architecture. You need a broad umbrella topic with specific trends acting as entry points. The second-order effect of a successful pivot is long-term stability. You're not chasing the next fad just to survive. You're using fads to fuel a sustainable business. Always paddle back out for the next wave. Diversification is your safety net. The creators who fail are the ones who fall in love with a single trend instead of the process of finding trends. Your channel is a vehicle, not a destination. You must treat each trend as a stepping stone to a broader content ecosystem. Global trends are highly competitive. Local trends are gold. Consider the opportunity for Moroccan creators. Local content like Ramadan videos, local tech launches, and specific cultural moments are vastly underserved. The The mechanism here is language and cultural specificity. Global creators cannot easily replicate this content. If you use Google Trends with a Morocco filter, you find rising queries that English-speaking creators completely ignore. You can be the first to make a quality video on a local trend. The audience is already there, waiting for someone to serve them. What this changes for people building channels in local markets is the barrier to entry. You do not need to compete with massive American tech channels. You just need to be the best answer in your region. The second-order effect is the creation of deeply loyal communities. When you speak to specific cultural moments, you build a bond that generic global content cannot break. For investors, local language content represents a massive growth area. The infrastructure is there. The audience is there. The only missing piece is quality creators willing to look at the data and act quickly. Do not ignore the local filter in your trend tools. It is often the most profitable view you have. The local market is where the next wave of six-figure channels will be built. It is an untapped gold mine sitting right in front of you. Spotting a trend is only half the battle. Execution is everything. When you spot a rising trend, you must produce a video in 48 hours. Speed matters more than perfection. A good video published today beats a perfect video published next week. The algorithm rewards the first mover. You must use tools like vidIQ to validate the search volume and the competition. If the search volume is high, but the existing videos are low quality, you have a clear path. This changes the operational model for a creator. You cannot operate on a monthly content calendar for trends. You need a rapid response team or a highly agile solo workflow. The second-order effect of this rapid execution is a reputation for relevance. Your audience learns that you are the place to go for new information. They stop searching and start subscribing. They trust you to bring them the next thing. This is how you build a moat around your channel. What to watch next is the friction in your own production pipeline. If it takes you a week to edit a simple video, you will lose the momentum and the views. You must strip away the unnecessary steps. Plan a 5-minute video. Film it tonight. Upload tomorrow. The creators who act fast win. The ones who wait lose. The ultimate lesson is that riding trends is a continuous system, not a one-time event. After a trend peaks, you pivot to the next one. You never stop paddling. This changes the mindset of channel building. It is not about finding one viral hit and retiring. It is about building a machine that consistently identifies and capitalizes on search intent. The compounding effect of this system is immense. Each successful trend video adds subscribers and increases your channel authority. The next trend video becomes easier to rank. The cycle accelerates. For people investing in the creator economy, this system is the asset. A creator who understands this process is more valuable than a creator with one lucky video. What to watch next is your own daily routine. Set a reminder to check Google Trends every single day. Open the tool. Pick one rising topic in your niche. That is the move. The creators who act fast win. The ones who wait lose. This is a mechanical, repeatable process. You do not need to be a genius. You just need to be fast, observant, and willing to put in the work. Start today. The next wave is forming right now. If you're not in the water, you cannot catch the wave. Your only job is to be the best answer when the question is asked. The system never stops. Open Google Trends right now. Pick one rising topic in your niche. Plan a 5-minute video. Film it tonight. Upload tomorrow. What trend are you watching right now? Drop it in the comments. Let's ride the next wave together.